A local health service in Victoria is facing bizarre claims that organised fake patients for a government visit last year. Our Victorian political reporter Simon Love is in Melbourne. Simon, have you got to the bottom of what happened at Colac Hospital?
Well, this is an evolving story and it's really only emerged today despite the visit by the Health Minister in Victoria, Marianne Thomas, to Colac Area Health in August last year. The story initially broken by the local paper, the Colac Herald, last night, detailed claims from a whistleblower that fake staff and patients were arranged to present to the emergency department at Colac Health back in August when the minister had been visiting, and that visit was hosted by the hospital, or at least the Colac Area Board's chair and also the chief executive. It has since emerged that this was actually a complaint made by a whistleblower in the area to the Public Service Commission at the time. The Health Minister's office was notified. They then notified the state's corruption watchdog of the claims. It decided not to investigate. It wasn't in its remit. The Ombudsman was then notified. They then decided that they couldn't proceed the matter, and now a Victorian Health Department investigation has been launched. And the Minister today has been quite strong about the allegations from the whistleblower.
If these allegations prove to be true, this is a very significant breach of trust that has been perpetrated by some in the health service, and I certainly would take a very dim view of any employees or others who have been involved in this.
Now, I've spoken to locals in the area, or local officials, a local councillor, Jake Finnegan, and as well other sources in the area. They've explained to me there is a bit of an industrial dispute ongoing between Colac Area Health and its unions and other bodies at the moment. But the emergence of this story has prompted that councillor, Jake Finnegan, to ask the board of Colac Area Health to immediately remove the chair from his position as board chair and appoint an independent investigator. Now, in a statement, the health service said, "We take all complaints and feedback seriously," and they went on to say, "We're aware of an anonymous complaint which is being appropriately actioned. We're unable to comment further at this time." Now, the Minister, Marianne Thomas, insists her office had nothing to do with the organisation of who was at this visit. But the opposition leader, John Pesciuto, in a news conference here at Parliament a short time ago, has questioned why this investigation was not made public earlier.
This is a scandal Health Minister Marianne Thomas didn't want Victorians to know about. It was serious enough for the Health Minister to refer this matter to IBAC.
And the opposition's also joined those calls for an independent investigation to be launched into these claims at arm's distance from the government. It's quite a bizarre set of allegations, Ash.
Certainly is, Simon. Thank you.